Good afternoon, family. Ham's Law. Assalamu alaikum. It's Saturday. Just got off from work. I put the bowls out because I want them to take baths. I'm gonna let the birds out. I got another video I already. I said I was gonna post. I'm probably gonna post it first chance I get. But like I said, I just got off from work, so I just wanted to get a chance to get the birds out. It's about 6 o'clock. We got a storm coming in, but it's coming from another direction, so I just want to get them out so that before the storm comes, we can see how they're doing. They only been out. I think they've been out about 8 times. So let's see what they're doing. Yeah. They know how to get out. I put the trap up, so let's get a little closer. If I open the door, I can get them out faster, but still trying to teach them to go out through the top. They always land on my head now. All right, I ain't got time for them to waste coming out. Let's go in and get them out. Got one on top of my head, so and remember I do have 4 old birds in that group. We had our pigeon meeting today for young birds, but of course I couldn't make it. Had to be at work. It is definitely hot out here. I ain't gonna put you on pause. I don't think nobody really needs to watch them fly around. That blue ball right there is a 500-mile bird I got from Pancake. And I got that one right there. That check is cooing, chasing them. It's another 500-mile bird. I'm definitely gonna pull them out and stick them in the other coop. I don't really need them with these birds. As soon as I whistle, I hate I hate to do that to them all the time, but every now and then I get them from that side of the yard to this side of the yard with the whistle. So they are pretty good to the whistle. All the birds are out of the coop, so it's nobody in there. It's hard for me to count them, so I actually gonna try to count them again tonight. Got the bathwater bandits. I got 4 birds in here. They've been in here for about 2 weeks. So they've been here for about 2 weeks, probably a little longer. They was really, of course, they was down for the count. I just went to the 4-1 and nursed them back. They used to only can walk. Now they up there. So we're gonna get them back in with the rest of the birds today. Let me chase them out. I had one that was a little light, still thin, but here goes my favorite bird. Yeah. And they go one that was in there, and the other one's over there. So they ain't going nowhere. All right, there's my favorite bird. He's got one white flight. He's the only one that lands on my head and on my arm. Try to get a few waterers clean. It's getting dark. It's probably about 7 o'clock. I better go on and let them in. As soon as they see me go for the thing, then watch all hell break loose. Got a few on the roof. We're just gonna call them in and go ahead and lock it down. Well, we got a few. Gonna chase them in with my little pole. I got them all in except for one. Obviously, that's the one that came out of that pen. He's supposed to be in this one now, but me and I gotta catch them by hand. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Shouts out to all the flyers. Thank you for watching the channel, and good luck with everybody's flying team.